Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Ryan, and I don't know what to do. I need to find this remote and okay. So today, guys, we are going to unbox a new iPad, like the iPad I'm recording on right now, not the cracked one, which is the one that I always record on. So today this is the second iPad that we are unboxing on this whole video. Actually, no, this is the second iPad we unboxed. Okay, let's go. I'm just trying to get my mouth. So let's get started. So we have this iPad, and let's open it. I'm just gonna take it out of the box. I didn't mean. So this is the iPad. It's gray, and I don't know. Let's unbox it. Besides, this is the iPad Generation 7. It's not even the newest one. Look. It's a part of the property of the NYC Department of Education. Wait, I don't know if I ripped this off. I should rip this off or not. Okay. I'm not gonna rip it off. So let's turn it on. It's not on. How am I so dumb? So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Department of Education. Okay, they download everything. They downloaded everything. They have the calendar, clock, photos, cameras, remind. Oh.
Let me see, Tong. The Wi-Fi? No, they don't have their own Wi-Fi. They don't set up. I don't know what setting you can do.
Okay. So
一包
we
袋
got
超鮮或者咁尖潤啊！
it has no
最
video.
識會
Seriously.
探中國你拍
I
實
took a
個你
picture.
盡貨
I
醫生
took a
會，
picture.
但係佢連殺你醫生啊，同佢做嗰
Okay, I
啲
took
事
a picture.
講嗰啲事佢哋我佢唔做得成嘅。
Why would I forget the most greatest part
佢啲醫生做好我哋中國都
of
攞
this iPad? Not
Put
麻
in
煩
the
你
case
中國
first.
係佢攞。
You're
get
going to
started. Sign in. I have my own email, so don't ask me what my email is. I'm not gonna ask you. I'm just gonna turn it around so you don't see it.
Don't put in the bag, okay, Ryan? That's dirty. I don't know why
You
put
all know my
anything in the
name,
bag.
but you don't know the first letter of my last name.
I don't camping.
Stop.
Bố bái của chồng này.
Okay, fine.
Cái màu cân.
Cưng có đi học chồng này.
Màu.
I got into Google Classroom. Wait, what? Why is it loading? Oh well. As you know, I have nothing to do. I have nothing to do. I have nothing to do right now.
Vừa mốt sầu luôn kia.
I have nothing to do. On Google Classroom, obviously. Obviously, I don't have anything to do in Google Classroom. Wait, what? Is there Safari in this? Please tell me there's Safari. Please tell me there's Safari. I don't know where Safari is. I'm lost. Oh, there's Google Meet. Not bad.
Cho nó giờ chung gì của cái
Not bad though. There's Google Meet. Yes. Yes. Sign in. I want to see my meetings. Oh, I forgot. They didn't set up a meeting. Oh God. Luckily, there is no password. Or else I will also have to reset all of this. That's awkward. I'm gonna be back. I already used like 9% or like 6%. I'm gonna be back. Because apartments are so small.
Vừa cái kim của vừa.
I was in a rush. Wait, please tell me there's Safari though. Oh, there's Chrome. Drive? There's Drive. There's literally Drive.
Các người đừng có bảo là
Oh!
xây cái số bảo đừng có bảo
Untitled documents.
Cái kem câu xây cái số bảo cái mình vòng tới mỗi tay những cái
I want to do Amplify. But they didn't really. Oh, Safari. But where is Safari? That's my question. Well, I think Safari is down here. There's no YouTube. Because this is education. As you know, it's part of the property of NYC Department of Education. Wait, what? It's yeah. I wish there was YouTube. But it's just about education. It's just education! All I'm gonna do is steal this. Okay, I'm not gonna steal it. I'm not gonna steal it. Not gonna steal it. Just borrowing it. I wanna actually. I have things to do. I have things to do, but not my teachers. Oh God. I need to find myself. Where am I? I am not on this list. How am I supposed to type? Please only submit your math work one time. I have no connection. I can't join. And my docs and slides sheet app. What? It's crazy though. Guys, already. Try doing it again. We fixed it. Okay. Okay, nothing's due. Where's my work today? I think like almost everyone in my class has did the things. I know what I got wrong for math. Or did I not do math? Independent. Whatever. Chrome, I'm just opening it with Chrome. Accept and continue. Yes, I am in. Accept and sign in. Okay. I shouldn't use my mom's. I mean, not my mom's. Oh. I definitely forgot I had food. I definitely had food. I definitely forgot I had food. I definitely forgot I had food. Definitely forgot. Definitely forgot. Look how very prized I am. Look how prized I am with all these medals. Like, these are just rubbish. I mean, rubbery. You could bend them. This is like made from gold, but it's kind of like a fidget spinner. Same with like this one. I got that by reading, but the fidget spinner, not. It's not. But it's just low dark quality. Low dark quality. You guys can see. Okay. I seen some stuff that are low quality. This is definitely not low quality. Got it. Hopefully you guys don't know my my school accounts. Oh no, I don't want to show it to you. It's personal information. I am not stupid. The stupid reason why I'm not telling you is because I learned from computer class not to show private things online. But I'm gonna show this online. Well, probably I just broke the rule. I don't know. God is my password, not. God is not my password. Wait. I I need to figure this out. I gotta figure out something. I did the numbers the wrong way. I did the numbers the wrong way. How am I so dumb? It's the wrong way. Wait, I thought someone's knocking. It's just my cat. Okay. Okay. Oh God, I entered 666. Oh God, didn't mean to enter 666. I meant to enter 6. Oh, tell me that's a hint. Because that is not.
Tiếng Hoa Bình đấy hả? Tiếng Hoa Bình.
Good. I finally did it. I like the few, like the several times I got it wrong. So rude. What did they mean sign in? I signed in. Well, it's actually good quality. It's actually good quality. But it's not fast enough. Do I really have internet? Seriously. Siri is not on here. Seriously, if you want to cheat, Siri is not there to help you. Pretty smart. That is pretty smart. Siri is not there to help you. That's pretty smart. That is pretty smart. Settings. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi on. It's the same. Do they even... They don't even know my... By the way, I'm not telling you my network connection. Or my password. I know the password. OneDrive. What is OneDrive? OneDrive. 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 Shortcuts. 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 I hate shortcuts. It's like close as, it's like so big. It's like kind of big. It's like it can make you see nothing. It's like, but it's almost the size. Actually, it is the size of, it's actually the size. It is literally the size. How? Oh yeah, I forgot. This iPad is generation 7 and this is generation 7. I forgot. They're pretty smart though. They are pretty smart. I am not dumb at all. There is maps. Seriously, why would they do maps? Maps. Wait, what? Wait, question is, why would they add Google Maps on this? Why? Why would they not delete Google Maps or photos? Okay. Wait, it's live. It's live. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I don't know how much features are in this. They could have added Lexia though. Wait, there's Simply E. Simply E. Okay, not sponsored. Not sponsored. But there's Simply E. Not sponsored. Do not yell at me. I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna use this for tomorrow. What?
It took too long on the video.
It's not gonna take too long.
You take too long, people will feel boring to watch your video.
Oh, I forgot. What?
咁 next time 佢哋啲 subscribe 咗你睇呢嗰啲人，next time 都唔睇，呢個會 feel boring 嘅話。
Okay, so the last part. The last part before the video ends. So let's put the case, the iPad into the case. Into the case. This is fragile. This is super fragile. First of all,
What time? Hold on, my dad. More than that.
Oh God. Wait, that's the wrong way. Or is it? Yeah, that is not the wrong way. Oh. Yeah. Why not turn it off? Why not? Since I'm just putting it inside the case. And then it's like the video over. Done. Oh. Ow. It's just so hard. Wait, did I forget something? I did forget something! I did forget something! I really forgot something. How come do you not see the plastic? I don't know why you don't see the plastic bags I'm throwing at you.
我個蘋果嘛，跟住。
Okay. I turned on the iPad. Okay, that's it. That's the end of the video. See you in the next video.